Hey, here's how to attach files to Google Sheets. The first method is through the Insert menu. Start by uploading your file to Google Drive, then right-click it and select Share. Under General Access, change it from Restricted to Anyone with the link can view, then click Copy Link. Now go to your Google Sheet and select the cell where you want the file to appear. Click Insert in the top menu bar, then select Link from the drop-down. Paste your Google Drive link in the link field. You can optionally type descriptive text in the text field for a cleaner display. Click Apply. The cell now shows an underlined, clickable hyperlink that opens your file directly. If you want the fastest approach, use the keyboard shortcut. Get your Google Drive shareable link the same way, then select the cell in your sheet. Press Ctrl-K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. A small link dialog appears beside the cell. Paste your Google Drive link, edit the display text if needed, and click Apply. Same result, but quicker. The next method uses Smart Chips with the @ symbol. Click the cell where you want to insert the file, then type the @ symbol. A search box appears immediately. Start typing the name of your file, and Google searches your drive in real time, suggesting matching files. Select the correct one from the list. The cell now contains a formatted chip with the file's icon and title. Hover over it to see a quick preview and access details. You can also insert Smart Chips through the Insert menu. Click the cell, go to Insert in the top menu, select Smart Chips, then select File. Choose your file from the list that appears. The chip displays as a clickable card with the file name. The final method is the hyperlink function, which works well for linking multiple files at once. Click the cell where you want the hyperlink and type =hyperlink. Type or paste the URL in quotation marks, add a comma, type the display text in quotation marks, then close the parenthesis and press Enter. The formula executes and displays as a clickable link. All these methods require your file to be uploaded to Google Drive first. The key thing to remember is changing the file's access from restricted to anyone with the link can view. This ensures anyone with access to your sheet can actually open the linked file. If you skip this step, the link might not work for other people, even though they can see your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.